Hi, welcome to my channel, Sewing with Maryrose. Today we're going to talk about how to adjust your dress form. I have the Singer 150 dress form, but this will apply to most dress forms that have these adjustable dials. So let's go ahead and talk about this particular dress form. So this dress form has a dial in the front, at the middle, the bottom over here, around the side, in the back, and on this side. First of all, you're going to want to take your own measurements. I already took my measurements and I am going to show you how I did that with this measuring device. So if you like to make your own clothes and there isn't anyone around right when you need them to take your measurements, what you can do is get one of these. I got it from Amazon. It'll be linked down below. And what you do is you put it around the area that you want to measure. So just say you're measuring your waist and you'll put it in this little hole here. And then you're going to push this button and then you're going to get your measurement by looking right over here. So you're going to get the measurements where you need it and you're going to write all of those measurements down. And you can just check in the mirror to make sure that you're in the right spot. So what we're going to do to get started is I'm going to take my measuring device, put it around, and you want to measure at the largest part of the bust area on yourself and on your mannequin. When you do this, you're going to have an accurate mannequin size so you can make your own clothes. So I'm pushing this button here and I need to make this mannequin a little bigger. So what I'm going to do is I am going to move this dial right here. So the important thing to know about this mannequin is that I've read a lot of reviews on it and I've heard of people breaking their dials. So what you want to do is do it evenly all the way around. You don't want to just open this part up and neglect the other areas. So you're going to do just a little bit at a time so you don't break your mannequin. So I open that side up a little bit. Now I'm going to open this side just a little bit. Did you see? Just a little bit. And we're going to open this up just a little bit. And this one's already opened a lot more, so that doesn't look very good. Okay, so now I'm going to measure it again and see where I'm at. You want it to be even all the way around and straight all the way around, and it's still not right. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that I open this just a little bit again, all the way around. I don't want my mannequin to break, so what I'm going to do is make sure that I open the bottom a little bit so that it doesn't break. A little bit. I'm going to open my dial here. I'm opening my dial here. I'm opening my dial there. So you push in and twist. Push in and twist. So now let's check and see where we're at on the top. Then all the way around. I'm going to open that up a little bit more, And again, you want to make sure that it's even on both sides. A little bit more on this side. And when it's starting to snap like that, you want to make sure you're opening up the bottom parts a little bit more because you do not want to get it uneven. You want it to be even on both sides. So I have this is on the 27, 28, 1. So now it's perfect. I'm really happy with this top. And check and see how close I am on the waist. You just want to do a little at a time, because if you don't, what will happen is you will break it and you will not be happy. So 28 and a half. Let's go see where that, so it came out to 20. A little more here. I'm opening it up a little more here and a little more here. One of the complaints that I've read about that people complain most about is it breaks when you're trying to adjust it up or down. I suggest that you try not to mess around with it too much once you have your correct measurements, because you don't want to break it. Okay, so we're at about 28 3/4, and I'm going to open it up a little bit more here. Open it up more. So this one's not really wanting to open. You just want to help it along a little bit. Close this a little bit. There we go. And I'm going to check that now. Okay, there we go. 29 1/4. So the next measurement is the hip area more, and I'm going to open this part up more. So you'll see there's numbers on there, 94 37, 96 38, and I'm going to be more out this way. And again, we don't want to break it, so we want to spin it around. Now I'm going to see where it measures. It's measuring at 38, so I need to open it up some more. A little bit more. Push this in, open it up a little bit more, all the way around. Now I'm going to measure it again. We're almost there. Now we can see that this is the right measurement, and I can use it now for my size. So before I had this dress form, I had to measure myself. I had to try to see if it was right, then I'd have to try it on. But now all I have to do is put it on my dress form and make adjustments, and it saves a lot of time. I could see how it looks, and I don't have to keep trying it on. So this has been wonderful. I've been really happy with having my very own dress. I know that some people have some trouble with being uneven, and I know that's super common. If you feel like you're uneven, then you'll want to put some extra padding. This particular dress form is nice because there is a little bit of foam where you could actually pin right to the dress form. So that is a nice added bonus. So tell me if that video was helpful, or if there's any other things you'd like to know about the Singer 150, and I would be happy to answer your questions. Please write any tips or comments that could be helpful to anyone else watching the video. If you like this video at any time, please hit the thumbs up button. Hit subscribe if you'd like to see more videos from me about sewing, serging, machine embroidery, and my Etsy shop. Thanks, bye.